Today we are going to build this tool under 1 minute, and I will show you in this video how you can easily do it. And as you can see, it is a cheating wife detector. It detects your wife or girlfriend is cheating or not, and it gives a score and tells you what to do on this situation based on the score. So let's start. I will leave a link in the description. You can collect the script from there, and after you have the files, you can just easily compress it in the zip folder and then upload it into your cPanel hosting. Log in into your cPanel, click on File Manager, and once you logged in, there you will click on Public HTML folder and click on Upload, and then upload this zip file there, and it will take some seconds. Once it is uploaded, unzip it, right click and select Extract, and then click on Extract Files button, and it will unzip. Once it is unzipped, visit your website URL. You will find this box, then just click on Next and set your password and email. It is for your website login, and then click on Deploy Tool. That's all. As you can see, it is easily complete the setup. Then click on Visit Site to visit your website URL, and you can also log in your admin panel from this here. As you can see, you can easily log in your admin panel, and this is your admin panel. So this way you can easily set up this type of website under 1 minute, and I will leave the file link in the description. You can get it from there. So that's it for today, viewers. Let me know how it is. So take care and good night.